Welcome back, friends, to Surviving the Daily. I hope everyone is surviving well. So our friends over at Great Star Industries have sent into the channel yet a couple more items for us to take a look at. And this time it's going to be under the Mossy Oak brand. First one is going to be the Mossy Oak 7-inch folding saw with pouch. And then we also have the Mossy Oak 21-in-1 stainless steel multi-tool. And I am very excited to get into these and show these off to you. But I do need to temper my excitement just real quick, because I do need to mention that they did send both these items into the channel at no cost to me for us to take a look at. So when I give you my review, please just keep that in mind. So let's get into these and see what we have. So the first item we're going to take a look at is going to be the Mossy Oak folding wood saw. And as you see right here, we have Teflon coating, a premium bimetal material, triple ground teeth, and from what I read, there is 7 teeth per inch, ergonomic non-slip handle, and it does feel like a rubber handle, and we have a button lock. And importantly, it is new. Let's take a look. It does come in this nice nylon sheath. And I kind of wish it did not have that billboarding right there, but it does. Yeah, beggars can't be choosers. Funny thing is, I really was looking into buying a folding wood saw for my bug out bag and just hadn't pulled the trigger. Asking ye shall receive. We do have 2 belt loops, one that's permanently stitched in and one that has that button snap right there. Opening her right up. There she is. There's that rubber grip right there. Button lock. Seems like more designed for a right hand. And there are your triple ground teeth, 7 per inch. It is a 7-inch blade and 9-inch handle. Last I saw, coming in on Amazon for $14.39. Very nice. Can't open it without pressing a button. Can't close it without pressing a button. I think this would be perfect for cutting down 3, 4, maybe even 5-inch limbs and or trees. Great for shelter making, shelter building. There you go, that's the Mossy Oak 7-inch wood saw. Next item, we have the Mossy Oak 21-in-1 stainless steel multi-tool. And again, importantly, this is new. Another nylon sheath. And it does have some bits on the sheath, on the outside of the sheath. So we have, looks like 4 double-sided bits. Leave that one out. And first impression, this baby is heavy. But if it is in fact stainless steel, that'll tell you why. It is a spring-loaded multi-tool. Very, very chunky in hand. Very, very thick. I don't think this baby's gonna fall apart under pressure. Do have the wire cutters there, and the needle nose plier looks like it's very tight at the tip. I don't know how much this is going to. Yeah, I mean that is holding a Post-it note. Very tight. Very tight at the tip. That's what she said. Yes, we're reverted to corny jokes here. Alright, so all the other tools are on the outside. We have a flathead as well as a bottle opener. Next one is going to be a can opener and a smaller flathead, as well as looks like a wire stripper. And you're all, and it does come with a thread hole. Fairly sharp awl. It doesn't look like it, but it does feel like it. And also on this side we have a wood saw. That is a chunky saw. Looks like double the teeth. But those teeth are very prominent. I think that's going to cut through some wood real fast. And we also have a serrated blade here. On the other side here we have looks like a metal file, as well as a wood file and an imperial ruler. They could have done a metric ruler there as well. I don't know why they didn't. One thing, if you saw my initial unboxing of this, I had a hard time closing these outside tools. I couldn't figure out how. I was pushing this, pulling it upwards. Couldn't figure it out. This is one of the few, probably the first multi-tool that I've seen that you push down on the lock. I thought that was pretty neat. We also have your regular blade here. That blade seems a little wobbly, but it is a multi-tool. I mean, you can't expect much more than that. I did waste that piece of paper, so might as well. Okay. Now, when you see a paper test on this channel and it fails first time, 9 times out of 10, that's a user error. All right. So it's not the sharpest of knives, but it's definitely not dull. We're going to not worry about that. So again, we're going to press down on that lock, and there we go. We close it. And then we also have the bit driver. One thing I really like about this bit driver is you have that 90 degree or 180 degrees, so you can use it in both orientations. I wish there was a little more retention holding that in, but I don't think that's going to go anywhere, honestly. I don't know if there's looks like there's a magnet down there, so maybe we don't really need any more retention to hold it in. That's going to hold it in just nice. One thing to note, that you cannot close the bit driver with the bit in there, at least the provided double-sided bit. I was initially wondering why they didn't ship it like this, or if I lost a bit. Nope, didn't lose a bit, didn't ship one. You just can't close it with the bit there. That's okay. There you have it. That is the 21-in-1. All right, let's count that. So we have 8, 9, 10, 11, right? They always count those as 3. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Did I count something wrong? Well, maybe this is the 22-in-1. I don't know. So anyways, enough screwing around. So we have the Mossy Oak 21-in-1 stainless steel multi-tool, spring-loaded, found on Amazon at the time of this video, $27.99. And also the Mossy Oak folding 7-inch wood saw with a button lock, 7 teeth per inch, Teflon coated, $14.39 at the time of this video. Again, I want to thank Great Star for sending these out to the channel for us to take a look at. I greatly appreciate it. I also appreciate you stopping in and checking out this video. If you are interested in these at all, I will leave a link down in the description. If you're at all interested in supporting this channel, the best thing you could do is hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and comment down below. Or you could always follow the link down in the description and buy me a cup of coffee. I always appreciate coffee. I'm kind of addicted. But anyways, I hope you're having an amazing day, and I'll see you next time.